Hi, boys and girls. This is the math instruction for online students for Wednesday, January 20th. Our target today is I will show information using tally charts. We're gathering data again, and we're showing tally charts, so kind of fun. Let's go ahead and do the tally chart that I've made on the board here. I have flowers up here. Aren't I a great artist? This is so lovely. Remember, when we do tallies, we are going to do lines that represent one of each thing. If I come to 5, I bundle it together by putting the fifth one this way, and then I can say 5. If I have two groups of 5s, I can say 5, 10. Okay? 5 and 5 is 10. So 5, 10, 11, 12, and so on, okay, by using tally charts. That's really a fun way to do it. So let's go ahead and do our tally chart here. Our title of our tally chart is flowers, and I have flowers up here. So we have kind of a petally flower, a tulip, and a spirally flower. So let's start with the petally flowers. We're going to cross them off as we go along. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's add tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to total them over here. There's not a row for you to total them. Please total them over here every time. That's my secret hint. Let's do the tulips. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, cool. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth one goes across. Total. All right, let's do our spiral flowers. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. I wonder if you can think of a question that could be asked about this tally chart. Whoops, what did I forget to do? I forgot to do something. What did I forget to do? I forgot to total it. Sorry. Always remember that. That's an important thing. What is a question you could ask about this tally chart? I wonder if there's something that you could ask. Can you think of something? I'll ask you something, okay? How many tulips and spiral flowers are there all together? Am I bringing them together, or am I comparing them and getting rid of them? I'm going to bring them together. So let's add those. Let's see. Tulips and spiral flowers. Tulips, we have 5. Spiral flowers, we have 3. We're going to add those together. Okay. I'm going to erase this so we have a little less problem. 5 plus 3, what's our total? 8. Very good. That's how many we have of those two. How many more tulips do I have than petal flowers? Many more tells me I'm going to find the difference. What's the difference between them? How many more are here than here? So I need to do a subtraction problem. I'm going to subtract the bigger number and I'm going to start with the bigger number. I'm going to subtract the smaller number. So the bigger number is the tulips. So I'm going to start with the tulips, 5. Now I'm going to subtract the smaller number. Subtract 4. How many more tulips do I have than petal flowers? Okay, 1. So when I'm comparing, when I'm saying how many more or how many fewer, I'm always going to subtract. I'll take the larger number, and I'll subtract the smaller number from that. Today you are going to be doing representing data using tally charts here. And we have a couple of things. Sports balls that Joe has. And oh gosh, I don't know if you can see that here. Can you see them here? You will be able to see them on the paper you have at home. These are golf balls, and these are tennis balls, okay? You're going to do just like I did with this flower thing. You're going to X them out and add the tallies, okay, and the total on each one, tennis balls. And then you're going to answer these questions. How many sports balls does he have? And then, are there more golf balls or tennis balls? You're going to write golf balls or tennis balls. And then they ask you this important question, well, how many more of those? Okay, how many more? That tells me you're going to do a subtraction problem. Take the bigger number and subtract the smaller number from it, okay? Down below here are some fish. Can you see those here? Our title of our tally chart are fish in a bowl. You're going to find these types of fish, these types of fish, and these types of fish. Look closely. Make sure you tally and total. And then how many fewer of these types of fish are there than these types of fish? How many fewer is a comparing question. And so you're going to take the bigger number you're going to create a subtraction problem. Take the bigger number and subtract the smaller number, okay? Backside, we have another tally chart. Balloons at the park. Very cool. We have plain balloons, dotted balloons, and striped balloons. They've already put the tallies for you and the totals, and now they're going to ask you 2 questions about them. How many balloons are there? Whoa! They didn't say how many plain balloons or spotted balloons or striped balloons. They want to know how many all together. So you're going to have to count them or add them, okay? Here, all right? How many more? Whoa, that tells me I'm comparing. How many more spotted balloons are there than striped balloons? Take the bigger number, subtract the smaller number, and find your answer. Remember, many more or how many fewer tell me to subtract. Take the bigger number and subtract the smaller number. Down below here, they want you to complete the related facts, so a fact family. All right, you can start. You need to have 2 subtraction and 2 addition problems. A Math Mountain will really help you with this to find the 2 addition and 2 subtraction problems that belong in this family. Remember, a Math Mountain will really help you. I'll say it again. A Math Mountain will really help you. What? A Math Mountain will really help you with this problem. Write it down. You can come up with your 2 addition and 2 subtraction problems. The next paper that you have is another tally chart. I want you to work on the title is Favorite Color. And they've got different colors. This many people voted for red. There's no total at the end here. Would you write the total over here? This many people voted for blue. This many for pink and this many for green. Remember, each group like this is 5, so you can count by 5s and move on. And then here are the questions. How many people chose green? Which color was the most popular? Which color was the least popular? And how many more people chose red than pink? Many more says I'm comparing. I'm going to take the bigger number, red or pink, and I am going to subtract the smaller number, okay? That's what I need you to do. Okay, for social studies and science today, you're going to go down to the video below and watch a video on how bread is made. You may have made bread at home. We're going to be sending home some instructions for you to be able to make bread at home this next week. So you'll watch this video today and learn about that, and then maybe you can do that on your own. So share with somebody what you learned, will you please? Don't forget to do your homework. Don't forget to read. Be happy, and I will see you tomorrow.